Lately I've been lost inside these memories. Every little thing reminds me of you. All the nights we shared, the way you held me. Now it's just a dream I can't go back to. Now I see the man I should have been before. No more hiding from the truth I know. And the one thing that keeps breaking me is I should have never let you go. So every night before I close my eyes, I pray, hoping somehow, some way, you find your way back to me someday. I miss you, yes I do. I still feel your touch in my soul. I never stop loving you, never, even when I lost control. I miss you before the stars fall from the sky. Lord, give me the words to say. Give me one more try. 'Cause me and you, we had a love so true. And I still belong to you. I still hear your voice in quiet moments, like you never really went away. Every corner of this lonely world still whispers everything you'd say. I don't wanna face another night alone, knowing you're not here with me. Every day since you've been gone feels like I lost my destiny. So every night before I go to sleep, I pray that somehow, some way, you'll come back into my life someday. I miss you, I still feel your touch in my soul. I need you, stop loving you, oh, even when I lost control. I miss you before the stars fall from the sky. Lord, give me the words to say. Give me one more try. 'Cause me and you, I'm drowning in the choices that I made. It's getting harder just to face another day, knowing I'm the reason you walked away. It's tearing me apart inside. A love like ours I can't deny. So Lord, if there's a way, just show me how to bring you back into my life right now. I miss you, I still feel your love in my face. I never stop loving you through all the hurt and pain. I miss you, even if you're far away, I'll still be here holding on to every word you'd say. 'Cause losing you is a price I'll always pay.